Good morning, students. Today we are going to do Geography Lesson 4 Agriculture. Okay, page number you have been given there 34 35. The first topic is there from page 34. India is an agriculturally important country. Why? It may be in the form of skill based question, 1 mark question. Answer you have to write. Two-thirds of its population is engaged in agricultural activities. Next one, question number 2. What does agriculture produces? 1 mark question. 2 points are there. It produces food grains that we consume, raw materials for various industries. Next we have name some industries based on agricultural raw material. 1 mark question. Again you have to write it. Textile industry, rubber industry, medicine industry, paper industry. Next is there question 4. Over these years, cultivation methods have changed significantly depending upon the factors. Name it. These factors are as follows. Characteristics of physical environment. Technological know-how. What type of technologies have developed there? Modern technologies that is talking about. Third is their socio-cultural practices. Now question 5 is there. Write short note on primitive subsistence farming. Primitive means old and subsistence means farmers are growing the crop for himself and his family. So these things have been explained there. It is practiced on small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dhow, and digging sticks, and family and core community labors. It depends upon monsoon and natural fertility of soil. Third one, suitability of other environmental conditions to the crop grown there. These 3 points you have to explain. Now question 6. Write short note on slash and burn agriculture. 3 marks question. Alternative question of this question is there. What is shifting agriculture? Now the answer is there. A farmer clears a patch of land and produce cereals, other food crops to sustain their family. Point number B. When the soil fertility decreases, the farmer shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. Third point, this type of shifting allows nature to replenish the fertility of the soil. Replenish means regain, reobtain the fertility of the soil. What are the question 7? What are the various names of shifting farming or agriculture in India and in the world? These are two different questions. One part you have to write about India, that can be a separate question of 3 marks. Another is in the world, what are the various names of shifting agriculture, that will be again 3 marks. First part, in India, what are they been called? Zooming. It has been called in Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland. Okay. Then second is there palm low. It has been called in Manipur. The third is there Deepa. It is called in Bastar district of Chhattisgarh and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Fourth is there Bewar, Bewar or Dahiya, Dahiya in Madhya Pradesh. Then Podu or Penda, it is called in Andhra Pradesh. Pamadhabi, Koman, Bringa, it is called in Odisha. Kumari in Western Ghats. Walre or Waltre in southeastern Rajasthan. Khil in Himalayas belt. Kuruba in Jharkhand. Now, what are the names of shifting agriculture in the world? Number one is there Milpa in Mexico and Central America. Milpa in Mexico and Central America. Number two, Concu, Concuco. It is called in Venezuela, Venezuela. Roca, Brazil. Masole, Central Africa. Ladang, Indonesia. Ray in Vietnam. Jhuming in India. Now question 8. Can you enlist some crops which are grown in shifting agriculture? It is wheat, millet, cereals, etc. Question 9. What is intensive subsistence farming? 3 marks question. A. This type of farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. It is a labor intensive farming. Third one, high doses of biochemical inputs, irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Question 9. Can you name some of the states of India where such where intensive subsistence farming is practiced? It is Bihar, UP, West Bengal. Okay. So please do these questions in your copy, in fair copy. Okay. And try to show me through WhatsApp. Okay. Complete your work, every day's work, and make your work update. Okay. And in the month of July, you will have the test of lesson number 3, water resources. Thank you.